Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we are standing in front of the VH700, and we have this machine actually has ceramic bead in it, and we're going to see what kind of finish we can get with ceramic bead. First of all, how quickly this process works, and then we're going to see what kind of shine we can get directly using just the machine at no air pressure, and see if we can shine this up a little bit. So we're going to throw this in the machine and we're going to see what we can do. Very quickly, just hitting it with the ceramic bead has cleaned the carbon off of it. So wonder what happens if we go back and turn the pressure down and see if we can actually polish this. Okay, so ceramic bead will actually put a higher gloss shine on your part. So what we did is we blasted this at about 90 PSI. We removed all the carbon. Then we went back, cut the air completely off, blasted it again, just using pump pressure. That allows that media to gently roll across the surface, and it actually helps seal this surface. So it will even take it longer to get dirtier again, because as it seals the pores here, they can absorb that carbon as well. We do free parts testing here, so if you've got a part that you're curious about whether this can work with it, you can go to the website and do our product testing on there, fill out the form, send it in to us. And if you're interested in this VH700 that we have here, you can get full descriptions down below. And again, my name's Todd. Thank you for watching. Phone number 828-202-5563.